If you want to stay consistent as a trader long term, here are some key tips that you're going to need in order to succeed within the markets. Markets are going to fluctuate. Your P&L is going to fluctuate. There's going to be some months where you're streaking, making tons of money. There's going to be some weeks or some days where in a row you guys are just losing tons of money. It's just about handling the emotional imbalance, and the way that you guys become profitable is based off of risk management. Okay? So understand that if you want to be profitable, your wins have to be way bigger than your losses. Some of you guys are scalpers, day traders, and you guys are pretty much playing for pennies on the dollar, and you're not getting anywhere. So let's talk about these things. Consistency is a mindset. Okay? Define and stick to your trading plan. Manage your trading expectations and your P&L. You can't just think, oh, I'm gonna make $100 a day. That's not how trading goes. That's not realistic, and you have to let the setup and the money come to you. Okay? Master your emotional control. And be sure to journal everything. This way, if you guys run into a season of just unprofitability, you think that trading isn't for you, you guys can go back in your journal and be like, okay, I was winning trades like this. Let me go ahead and stick to this type of system, X, Y, and Z, so then you can have something to revert back to. Okay? And build a pre-trade routine. I like to get up, pray, read my Quran, make sure I breathe, make sure I drink something, drink some water, get some green juice in me, and I like to go ahead and start the day and start the trading day. Don't trade with anxiety, don't trade with fear a lot of the times, because when you do that, you're going to be upset that you lost, and you might just crash out your account and make a stupid decision, especially if you're a scalper on a prop firm or something like that. So, consistency in trading. A consistent mindset is crucial for traders to achieve long-term success and navigate market fluctuations effectively. Okay? Focusing on psychological strategies and emotional discipline. A trader's ability to maintain consistency leads to better decision making and ultimately boosts their trading performance. So, check it out. You have to maintain consistency. I don't care if you guys are on the 4, 5, 6 to 7 figure range. If your P&L isn't looking like this, you're not going to be profitable. Some of you guys' P&L are looking like this. You might make some money. You might make some money, and then you might make some money, and then that's because you guys are just sporadic trading. You're trading way too much, trading way too often, playing with too much size, and sometimes you guys are even breaking rules, taking more than one trade a day, messing up your risk reward, messing up everything. So your P&L should reflect like this, and it should not look like this. Okay? Your P&L should look like this: gradual, slow uptrend, not dramatic burst like support and resistance. Absolutely not. Trading plan adherence. 75% of traders with the plan succeed. Adhering to a plan significantly improves success rates and helps traders avoid emotional decisions during market fluctuations. So understand that your emotions are going to be feeling wobbly, but it's your responsibility to make sure that you're feeling flatlined. Okay? Whether you guys are winning or losing, you should be flatlined. Your emotions should not be loop-de-loop. You should not be feeling up one day, down the next day feeling like the worst trader, up one day, down one day feeling like the worst trader. That's way too much, especially if you're talking about doing this until you pass, doing this for years and decades on end. That type of stress, that type of emotional imbalance is just not good for you as a human being or a trader. So I recommend you guys do swap to more of a swing trading strategy. And yeah, this way you guys are gonna have the setup come to you, you're gonna be more patient, and you're gonna make more money on your trades instead of trading for pennies on the dollar and putting stress on yourself. Okay, so pretty much don't scalp, trust me. You can make some good money scalping, but if you wanna get to the millionaire range, swing trading is gonna be the way. So manage your expectations. So setting realistic expectations is crucial for maintaining long-term discipline in trading and avoiding emotional decisions making during market fluctuations. 75% of traders who follow a plan succeed. Okay? So understand that you can't just think, okay, I'm gonna make XYZ amount of money every single day. That is the most unrealistic expectation of all time. I understand you guys have goals. You can definitely set goals, okay? But especially when it comes to the market, you don't have as much control as you think. You have control of when you enter, how much you risk, when you get in, and when you get out. You don't have any control whether or not the market's gonna go up or down, okay? Stick to your trading plan. Have a goal in mind. Be like, okay, I want my win rate to be 80%. Don't have a monetary goal, because you guys could honestly wake up to a gap up, 30 points up, and then you just shatter your gap up goal. Trading can be weird, okay? Especially when it comes to options. You can make some money really, really fast when you start playing well. Emotional control. Stop crashing out. You're not successful because you just crash out your account. You take one loss, and that turns into 2 losses. That turns into 3 losses. And next thing you know, your $1,000 account then gets chunked down to like 250 based off of the fact that you couldn't accept one loss. If you would have just accepted that one loss, your account would not have gone to 1,000 to 250 in a couple of trades. I don't understand how you guys are losing all of your money that fast. I don't understand how you continue to crash out your account time after time after time after time after time. You know what you should be doing. You know also what you shouldn't be doing, yet you continue to do it. It's completely on yourself. You know you shouldn't be over trading like that. You know you shouldn't have taken that second stupid trade. And you know you shouldn't be making wonky whack decisions, yet you continue to do it, and this is why you're gonna stay broke and unprofitable. But if you're tired of being broke, if you're tired of being unprofitable, it's time to stop changing the same daily habits that you continue to do. So understand your emotional triggers. Traders and human beings often face fear, okay? Fear to get into a trade, fear that their setup isn't gonna work out. This is literally how your setup should look, bro. Just wait for the resistance to be broken on the daily time frame. Get in, you can wait for a 1 hour candle close. Get in above the resistance break, okay? Especially if you're an options trader, by 2 to 3 weeks out, take it to the next level. Supports and resistance, trim, get your profit, get off for the day. Keep it simple. Yet you guys continue to make it hard, you continue to make it difficult, and this is why you're not succeeding. Greed. Some of you guys are actually pretty good at trading. Some of you guys, especially on fundeds, get 4 days consistency, and then on your 5th day, you just get greedy. You lose yourself. You destroy all of your profit within a single session because of the fact that you couldn't accept the loss for the day and you wanted to make money so bad. Some of you guys have horrible greed. You don't think the profit that you're making right now is good, and a lot of you think that having a bigger account will make you a better trader, which is absolutely not true. You'll probably just blow that up too. Anxiety. Some of you guys are feeling nervous within the market. Some of you guys are stalking your trade all day, and you should be able to look at your trade and be like, okay, I don't really care whether I win or lose. Once again, that brings me back to your emotions being flatlined. Don't be up and down. You can't be an emotional mess. Flatline your emotions and control yourself, okay? Anxiety. If you put down the trade and you've been studying trading for years, months, like I know a lot of you have, why do you still have anxiety that the setup won't work out? How many times has the setup worked out and you guys might have just gotten stopped out? Some of you guys also just need a bigger stop loss, or if you're on options, don't play with the stop loss at all. Just size for 0. Trust me, it's gonna be a lot cleaner, a lot better. These 3 emotions right here, purge them from your life. Trust God. God says that all of these emotions are stupid. We should only fear God. Don't be greedy. You should be thankful with what you get, and don't be anxious because God got you. So don't let any of those emotions go into your trading. Be fearless and have a bigger risk appetite. If you're talking about being a millionaire, you have to be used to taking losses. Relax, get in your trade, get in your A+ setup, and just relax. Stay prayed up and stay patient. This visualization highlights common and emotional triggers in trading and suggests effective strategies to manage these feelings for improved performance and consistency. Okay? Journaling. So you guys are gonna want to get your journal. Okay, get your journal. You guys can, I'm gonna draw for you guys. There we go. Let's add some depth and some pages to it there. I'm really artist from trading journal. Okay, so benefits of trading journals. This trend shows that consistent journaling leads to improved trading decisions. When you guys are playing horrible, when you don't know what to do, when you're just struggling, your journal will be there for you. God will be there for you. You'll be able to look back and realize that you're not horrible. You're not as bad as you think. You're actually a great trader. Don't lose yourself because of a couple of losses. Use your journal as your guide. Don't lose yourself. Don't forget who you are, and don't forget how good you are. Maintaining a trading journal enhances emotional control, discipline, and helps traders learn from their past experiences for better performance. You guys aren't going to be doing silly stuff when your journal is looking good too. You're going to want your journal to consistently be looking good. Trust me. Pre-trade routine. Components of a pre-trade routine. So first thing I go ahead and do, I get up, I pray. Okay. After I pray, I read. Reading instills patience in me. Reading calms me down. And especially when you don't want to read that day, it instills resilience first thing in the morning. So first thing I do is I pray, I read. After that, I get some water. Water/vitamins. I recommend you guys take herbs like ginkgo biloba. Make sure you guys keep up with your vitamin D. Ashwagandha is great. There's a lot of great herbs that you guys can use for your mental health just to keep you guys composed, calm, and pretty much just make sure you guys don't make rash decisions and lose yourself. Okay? So I like to pray. I'll read a page of Quran, and I'll drink some water and get my vitamins for the day. Make sure my brain starts feeling good. Make sure I'm flowing the way I need to be flowing, and making sure I breathe and feeling good before the market. And then I'll open TradingView. And I'll open the charts. So traders who follow a routine often experience greater consistency in their performance. The essential elements of an effective pre-trade routine guiding traders to develop emotional control, and it builds mental endurance for sustained success within the markets. All right, that's going to be some tips in order for you guys to succeed. Catch you guys in the next one. Stay prayed up to God. Protect and provide for your families. Don't give up. Stay resilient. Stay disciplined. Stay hard. And do the hard work even when you don't want to. Peace.